Hey guys, I'm glad you were able to find this video because I'm hoping it will fix your printer. You're trying to see how you can reset this printer model. It's an HP Officejet 4650 series printer, and I'll show you how to do just that. So go to your home screen, press the home button, and then you're gonna see this back button right here. You're gonna press it 3 to 4 times simultaneously. You're gonna get to the support menu, and then you're gonna use these arrows right here to scroll down. Sorry, is the second one, I missed it right away. So it's resets menu. You're gonna press OK, and then you're gonna want to reset. There's a partial reset, semi-full reset, gives it more of a factory kind of reset. So if you just press the semi-full reset, the printer should turn off, and then it's probably not going to turn back on by itself. On some printers it will, on some it won't. On this one it does not. So unplug the printer from the back, wait about 10 seconds, and then select the press the power button, turn the printer back on. After it turns on, you're going to select the language, confirm that, the region where the printer is in, confirm that as well, and then it'll just ask you to load paper, and it's going to do the alignment page. So that's basically how you reset the printer, by going to the home menu, pressing this back button right here 3 to 4 times. You're going to get to support menu. From there you're going to click on resets, and reset the printer that way. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully it was helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.